I have a lot of special ornaments that I love, but sometimes they're really heavy. I have to show you this one because I know you'll appreciate it. Rachel, you know I have a bulldog, right?
Oh, I love
How cute
him.
is he? But he's a little heavy, and I'm nervous because it's really special to me that I don't want it to fall on the ground. I don't want it to break. So I have a great little tip. Instead of using wire or just the little string that it comes on, you could actually use pipe cleaners, in a forest green. Yeah, or you could use a faux garland on a wire. Believe it or not, they do sell these. So you could just go online and find them. They're really easy.
No, I know. I use them. Yeah, I use them for wreaths and work on the trees. I love that.
Well, so I just put this through, and then all I have to do is tie it onto my tree, and it's safe and secure. And my little Flynn, the bulldog, is not going anywhere.
Yeah, even if the bulldog into the tree and knocks it over, correct.
Correct. You ready for this one?
Hey.
Okay, we are going to take a glass dome or a cloche or a mason jar, something simple like this.
I have several clothes.
We're going to take those fairy lights. I love these things. If you don't have them, you should get them.
They're behind my head.
Yeah, you got them. They're the best. So we're just going to turn them on. Let's get a couple. The messier, the better. This is what I love about this project. You don't have to be talented designer to do this right, okay? Let me get one more going.
And they're just battery operated, guys. You just change the batteries when they get very weak. That's when they're gonna go out on you. And you just pop into the little battery packs and change them.
Look how easy this is. I could do more, but I'm gonna show you my finished one. Hold on, so there's one.
Beautiful.
I have another one here all set and ready to go. And I love this because it's a great centerpiece. It's great for the fireplace mantle. It's great as a candle next to the bedside. It just works. And it's so festive.
It is. It looks like you trapped lightning and snowflakes in a bottle together. It's really pretty. Mm-hmm. I'm so thrilled you're wrapping up season 8, going and shooting season 9 right now, which we have to wait until next year to see, but thankfully we can see the big finale this year. You can catch the big finale of the Great Christmas Light Fight Wednesday night at 9 p.m. on ABC.